With Matific Arena, teachers can select any activity and transform it into an exciting game for all their students. It's very simple. Under Activities, go to Find Activities. Select the desired activity and click Play with Class. Your students who are logged in will receive a notification to join the game. They can also join by entering the game's unique auto-generated code. Teachers can see which students have joined the lobby and then start the activity. You can see the students' progress, and when you end the activity, you can see their scores. Under Reports, you can view detailed information about your student's activity. Go to Student Activity Report and filter activities by Matific Play. You can see each student's average score for different topics. Do note that the scores of students who didn't complete the activity on time do not appear in the report. Select a student to view detailed information about their activity. And remember, all Matific reports can be downloaded by clicking Export.